of skill is balancing something on a stick or a body part straight up, like that. Balancing two things, exponentially more difficult. Way more fun though. The trick is, wherever it is, you're always looking at the top. You're not looking down here, because at the top, you can tell where you need to shift your balance to correct and keep it up there. The reason we do it with the heavy stick is so that with these hand sticks, you can put it on there, but then don't keep looking down there, look back up at the top. So you know what that's like to balance. I'm just kidding. Gotta put that in my act.